Hello everyone, this is Fatima from Kentucky. I want to test today a 2 whiskey sours, and I want to use a regular one with egg white and one with Aquafaba with chickpea water. So I want to see what is going to be the difference, because I'm very conscious that I might get some bacteria from the eggs. So I was just curious what's going on and how it's going to work. So let's dive into it, let's give it a try, and let's start with our first cocktail, which is going to be the whiskey sour with the egg whites. So what we're going to need, we'll need a shaker. What we're going to do, we add 60 ml of bourbon. You can use rye whiskey as well. I've got bourbon. We'll need 22.5 ml of lemon juice. Oh, squirting. Whew. We'll need 22.5 ml of sugar syrup. And we're going to add about 15 ml of egg whites. And let's give a dry shake first. Forgot to add the Angostura, 1 dash. And now we can assemble it. Let's give a dry shake. Add ice. And give a good shake again for about 10 seconds. Release the pressure. Take your glass, take a fancy cube of ice, and strain into the glass. Garnish with a lemon wheel and a cherry on top. Ooh. This is cocktail number 1. And now we're going to make exactly the same one, but using the Aquafaba. So again, add 60 ml of bourbon. Add again 22.5 ml of lemon juice. (22.5 ml of sugar syrup. And now we're going to add 15 ml of Aquafaba thick juice. One dash of Angostura, and let's dry shake it again. add ice again. And shake it again, but just with ice. Take your glass, another cube of ice, strain it over. And garnish again with the lemon wheel and a cherry. Oh, spilled a little bit. Okay, not a big deal, but we can clearly see the difference. With the egg white, we have much more foam. With Aquafaba, we have barely foam. Yeah, well, let's give it a try. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like my content before we try the cocktails. And let's give it a try. So let's start with the first specimen with the egg white. So it looks really good. This looks for thick foam. We have a thick foam on top. So let's give it a try. Very smooth, very aromatic. Proper whiskey sour. Just literally, I'm conscious about using. Yeah, I just don't feel comfortable about that. Very delicious though. Really nice. Doesn't mean I don't like it. It's just weird. Oh, now the very interesting one. Let's give it a try with the Aquafaba, with the chickpea water. You know, guys, I can definitely say that with the egg is much more delicious. It's much better. Egg gives that smooth texture. You can feel the smoothness, you can feel the substance of the cocktail. While the chickpea, it's not bad. I would say it would be a good one if I wouldn't try the first specimen, but yeah. It's definitely drinkable. I can still say this is a whiskey sour, but it's not as good, 100%. So for this one, for the first specimen, I would give like solid 9. For this one, I would give 7.5 out of 10, if to be precise. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you for liking and subscribing my channel, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.